Gotta be grateful for a private gym situation like this. You get nice open training space with tons of equipment. And with the bay doors open, you get this nice view of your ride as you train. You can't beat that. We got the C7 under some shop lighting here today at Matt's shop, position advance. Car's dirty, but the shop lighting makes it look good enough regardless. So with this lighting, it's kind of a good chance to showcase what we've got on the car. We have the Titan 7 wheels, front and back. It is a staggered setup, so this is 19s in the rear, 18s in the front. Interior's got some red accents, red seats, and floor mats. Though these will be getting changed out. I think I'm gonna go with like an all black interior so that I can have some yellow accents in it instead. This is an aftermarket steering wheel that was replaced by one of the last owners. Actually driving it, I wasn't a fan of it. This is too thick, so I'm not even a death gripper on the wheel, but there's just too much material here. It just feels like you can't get a good handle on the wheel. So even though it looks decent, that's probably gonna go back to like a stock one. Speaking of changing the interior, so it's mad sunny out here. I hope everything's in frame. But I picked up some new toys for the C7, all right? So first of all, as mentioned, I want to change some of the interior components, namely that driver's seat, right? We're going to track the car. We want to be in a proper bucket seat. Picked up this red and black, ruby and black Recaro RSG. Like, look at this ruby coloring. Hopefully everything's in frame. It's so beautiful. And I think it'll complement some of the interior accents already. This was one of those awesome midnight marketplace finds. Got it for quite a great deal, a lot less than retail, so I'm really happy about the seat. It's in really good shape as well. Recaro RSG is the same seat I have in the C5 in the driver's side. That one's the black RSGE. Here's a closer look at the Recaro RSG Ruby. Let's look at the details. Look at that, beautiful. This is gonna look insane in the car and feel amazing, of course. Same seat as we have in the C5. This one's a black Recaro RSGE. The tough part was finding a rail. So when you go with the JDM car like the EG or S2000, rails were abundant, limitless options, right? The American cars, it is actually criminal how little you have as far as options. So the main one people run is that AMT one, but it's not a slider, and I want a slider mount. So I went with a different brand. It's like one of the only brand offerings. I already ordered it and it was missing a bunch of hardware. So I'm not gonna name the brand right here and now, but they really gotta step it up and actually give me the right hardware. So we couldn't install the seat yet. A lot more troublesome than a JDM car, which is disappointing because why are people not putting buckets in these performance cars? The next toy I got is a literal toy of the C7 as well. It's used, I also got it off Marketplace, but the box was ripped, but that's not a problem. Check this out. It's the same year as mine as well, 2017 Stingray, base model just like mine. The same yellow, it's just so perfect. That's pretty sweet. I'm stoked on this, guys. Maisto is one of those pretty solid brands. It's no auto art, but I just had to get this die cast of the same car next to each other at the right angle. It really is so great. And we'll wrap it up there, guys. If you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with the C5, the C7, and whatever else we do on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.